Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your fitness reports on the Notify for Xiaomi app. To see your fitness reports, simply go into Device. Here from the top, scroll down a little bit to see weekly fitness data. And here you can see your weekly fitness data. Of course, just scroll through it, look at what you want, the weekly calories, the heart rate, the weight if you use any sort of a smart scale that syncs with your app, your stress, your SpO2, your workouts. You can change the list order, of course. Change the order, change which ones you want to see, for example, and turn off the weight if you don't like seeing it. And it won't be visible on the list. You can turn it back on if you like. Another option is to tap on Fitness Report, and in here see either the Sleep Report, which is going to show you your sleep data, or again Heart, which is going to show the same thing but for your heart rate across different dates. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.